Hi first graders, welcome back to math class with Miss Six. Today is September 30th, 2020, and we are still talking about addition. So I'm going to review with you the ways that we can solve addition word problems. Remember, addition means adding, putting things together. So I can draw a picture to help me solve my problems. I can use the counting on strategy by drawing the number line. I can use a 10 frame. Or I can add with the part, whole. These are different ways I can find out my answer, to find out the total of something. Our objective for today says, today I will be able to solve addition word problems using word problem strategies. Now words, we talk about words a lot when we're doing our Zoom lessons, and we talk about words are made up of letters, right? So word problems are going to have words in them. It's not just going to be numbers and signs. So here are some clue words that will maybe mean adding. You might see the word total. We might be adding things together. Join, both, increase, all together, combined, plus, in all, add. If you see those words, it probably means you're going to add. So this is what a word problem might look like. This one says, there are 7 white flowers in Savannah's garden and 5 red flowers. How many flowers are there in total? If it's asking me for the total, maybe I need to add. So every time we see a word problem, I'm going to have some steps for you to follow. We're going to have to make these word problems make sense. So we need to make it make sense to us. The only way we can make it make sense is by reading the problem, circling numbers, then we're going to draw the problem and write your answer. Let's do it together. So the word problem was, there are 7 white flowers in Savannah's garden and 5 red flowers. I'm reading, and I need to be thinking, what does that mean? That means Savannah has a garden. Gardens have flowers. She has 7 white and 5 red. Okay, now I know the setting, I know my character, I know the numbers. And the question it's asking me are, how many flowers are there in total? Remember in reading class we've been talking about questions? So here's the question. How many flowers are there in total, all together? I need to count them up. So now I'm going to circle these numbers to help me see which ones I'm working with. 7 and 5. And the question is right here. How many flowers are there in total, all together? So first I need to draw, now I need to draw my picture. And I'm going to use dots to represent flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I've drawn my dots, 7 and 5. All right? So how many would I have all together? I need to count them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this, I'm seeing I drew my picture. I wrote out my number sentence, which says 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now there are other ways you can do it. Remember, we talked about you can use the number line to count on, just like that. You can use a 10 frame and move the dots into the 10 frame. You can use a part, whole. But today I think it's easiest if we focus on drawing those dots, drawing our pictures. So let's look at another word problem. I love word problems. They're so fun. It's kind of like reading and math together. This one says, Ryan saw 8 birds sitting in a tree. Then 4 more birds joined them. How many total birds are in the tree? So let me think, where is this taking place? Ryan must be outside, and he sees 8 birds in a tree. Then 4 more join. What does join mean? Join means they come together and they're now all together. That's important to know. We need to be able to make it make sense to us. Now that I know what's going on, what is the question asking me? How many total birds are in the tree? I need to count them all together. So here I'm circling my numbers 8 and 4. Join them together, so I'm going to use the plus sign. There's my number sentence, and I'm going to draw the number picture. Draw the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. Now I'm going to draw 4 more birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to count them all together. I already know this is 8, so I can just go 9, 10, 11, 12. So your assignment will be to solve the following 3 word problems by drawing pictures and writing the number sentence. You're going to upload a photo of your work either to Google Classroom or send me a picture on Class Dojo. So here's an example of Miss Six's work. I have my 1, 2, 3 problems, and I drew the pictures and the number sentences. So here is what your assignments will look like. And then you're just going to write them on a piece of paper. Thank y'all so much for doing such an awesome job in your math, reading, science, and social studies assignments. Y'all are doing a great job, and I'll see you later. Bye!